In ninth class Algebra Math Part 1, first lesson is sets. General define the collection of an object is called a set. Actual define the well-defined collection of an object is called a set. Some examples: bunch of keys. Second, collection of numbers. Always note in the set no relative terms should be there. Examples of relative terms. To write the set should be in curly bracket. Set always used in capital letters. The individual object of the set is known as the member or element of the set. Member or element is always represented in small letter. Some examples: A is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8. B is a set of A, E, I, O, U. Read has A is a set of even number. A belongs to A. Read. First, A is an element of set A. Second, A is a member of set A. Third, A belongs to of set A. Write anyone in your notebook and take a screenshot. Method of writing: listing or roster method. A set are enclosed within curly brackets. Second, element members are separated by a commas. Third, an element members are repeated is only once. You can see in examples, elements are repeated is only once. Method of writing a sets. Second, rule method or set builder form. The elements of the set are described by specifying the property which determines the elements of the set unequally. Example: listing method, write in rule method.